In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Wix Chat from your website. So let's dive right in. The very first thing you need to do is head over to the Wix website, which you can easily find by typing www.wix.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll see the login option at the top of the page. Go ahead and click that, log into your account, and then select the website you'd like to edit. Once you've chosen your site, you'll find yourself at the dashboard. This is your main control center for managing your website. Look for the Edit Site button and click on it. This is your gateway into the Wix editor, where all the magic happens in terms of managing apps and elements on your site. With the Wix editor open, it's time to locate the Wix Chat element. If it's already on your website, you'll likely see the chat icon somewhere in the bottom right corner of your editor screen. Click on this widget to select it. Doing this will pull up options specific to the chat app that you can change or remove. Now that your chat widget is selected, you have a couple of options for removing it. If you just want to delete it from the page you're working on, you can simply press the delete key on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can click remove in the settings menu that appears. If you're looking to remove the app entirely from your site, not just from a particular page, here's how you do it. Look for the apps menu at the top of your editor, click on it, then navigate to Wix Chat and choose settings. From there, you'll see an option to remove app. Click on that and confirm the removal when prompted. This step will completely uninstall Wix Chat from your website. With the chat component now removed, you're almost done. But before we wrap things up, it's a good idea to preview your website to ensure the Wix Chat element is truly gone. Click the preview button to enter this mode and take a look around your site. If everything looks good and Wix Chat has been successfully removed, it's time for the final step. Go ahead and click Publish. This action will push all your changes live to your website, making sure that the Wix Chat is no longer part of your visitor's experience. And there you have it. You've successfully removed Wix Chat from your site. Congratulations on making these adjustments to suit your needs better. Remember, changes like these can significantly affect how your visitors interact with your site. So it's always a good idea to periodically review what's installed and make adjustments as needed. Feel free to revisit your editor anytime for further custom